Alright guys, I'm about to pour the eggs in the skillet in the griddle. Pour some nice soft eggs. The eggs are done. That first pan of potatoes is almost done. So I'm just going to slice these off diagonal. I love cooking them like this. Put these on here. Alright. And I just got 3 pieces of bacon. I'm just going to go ahead and put those. Cut these in half. Put these. Ooh, they browning up so nice, y'all. Paper towel down like that. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. Like this. Just gonna place some. Oh my God, it looks so pretty already. Presentation. That's all this is. Presentation. Middle. Like it, right in the middle. Sausages. I think I'll go here. sausage. That's all. That is it. I know I didn't even use the peppers. I used them for something else. I totally forgot. All my taters are falling. These regular cream cheese. I got a couple of bagels. There. Move this over. Move that over because you guys already know my roots. And I'm going to place some of that on here. As so. Listen, it don't take much. It's just fun for me. That's all I'm doing. Having fun for my girls, my husband, and for myself, because I like pretty stuff. You know? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Yes. Put that little bacon up there. And I will be back, guys, with the finished results. All right, guys, I am done with my breakfast charcuterie board. I have, let me tell you, I have pink lemonade, tropical punch, I have maple syrup, brie spreadable, Nutella, I have French toast poutines, sausage, turkey, kielbasa. I have, let's come over here. I have cantaloupe, soft scrambled eggs, nice diced potatoes, and strawberry cream cheese spread. That is my charcuterie board breakfast, y'all. So nice. We are about to eat as soon as they get here. They haven't made it home from work, so they'll be here soon. And yeah, I want to take a picture, a couple of pictures. Let's get this down a little closer. My light. All right, y'all, I'm gonna make this plate before he gets here. So I'm going to give him three of these. 3 French toast, and some potatoes. Sausages. That is breakfast for dinner, guys. Breakfast. All right, y'all, he done made it home. I'm finna heat his plate up so we can eat. And call my baby girl up here so she can get her food.